avec Katy Perry en collaboration avec Eagles. Bon appétit. Enjoy, it's a vibe. Ambiance variété musicale. 5 heures, c'est de BM, 2 heures de temps. Dans la 120 minutes seulement. Et vibe. Bon appétit à tout le monde qui a enjoy ambiance variété musicale. Sous 88.1 avec Joufoy 87.
You got those hungry eyes. You could use some sugar, 'cause your levels ain't right. I'm a five-star Michelin, a cold beef rolling. You want what I'm cooking, boy, let me take you under candlelight. We can wine and dine, a table for two. And it's okay if you take your time, eat with your hands fine. I'm on the menu. It's all that you want, boy. Everything got, boy. It's like a buffet. Bon appetit, baby. Appetite for seduction. Fresh out the oven, melting the mouth and 11. Bon appetit, baby. 'Cause the murder's always right. Oh, gonna hit that sweet too. Under candlelight, we can wine and dine. A table for two. Hands fine, I'm on the menu. It's all that you want, boy. All that you can have, boy. Got me spread like a book. Appetite for seduction. Fresh out the oven.
Katy Perry, Eagles. Bon appétit. Tout le monde qui a enjoy la vibe. Sous 88.1.
It'll change your mind. You running back for seconds every single night. I'm the one that's like a change your life. And when I'm bossing, dripping with just like my eyes. Said she wanna meet him, then I asked her what's the price. If she do right, told her to get with her.
Rassou beaucoup.
Aye, going is another vibe.
Côté Mika.
Gonna do it when she ride. Aye.
Mon nom est V.
Eyes of a diamond, blind. And a spine, not a muscle, diamond, chance to climb. Sweet too sweet, no too fair, no whipped cream, no dairy. Got a hot light on, screaming I'm ready, but no bullshit.